Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to remove the injector nozzle on a PD injector. Everybody says you cannot do it at home. I've done some digging and I believe I've found a DIY way that you can change the nozzle. Yes, it's still not getting calibrated, but for those of you who just want to slap a nozzle on, there is some potential, I think, to do so. So I'll show you quick what we're going to do. This thing, these are scrap injectors, so I don't care, and I'm not going to be as careful as you should be. Make sure your work area is nice and clean. Obviously mine's nice and dirty, but again, these are scrap and I don't really care. So first things first, this camera focuses. Gotta make sure you clean all the carbon from around where the nozzle meets the body. All this crud in here, get that all nice and clean. We'll do that and be right back. Okay, once you got it all clean, I just used some diesel fuel, solvent, whatever, and a wire brush. Cleaned it up. I think I got it clean enough. Then you're gonna grab a 1/4 inch socket to go right on top so you can push down, some downward pressure on the nozzle. 19 mil wrench, slide it over, and then you're gonna push down as you crack it free. And let's see how well this is gonna work. All right, now that it's loose, let's see if it broke like everybody says it's gonna break. And it did. So that is why you are pushing down to, that's why you're pushing down on the nozzle, so that you hold downward pressure so that the nozzle doesn't spin while you're loosening, this off, and then so that those line up things don't break off. I have also now tipped it upside down and dropped pieces out of it. So yeah. And since I have a full set of scrap ones, we're gonna try again to see if we can succeed. I'm gonna use a 7 mil deep so that it slides over top a bit and I don't have to focus so much on keeping it straight up and down like I did with the shallow socket. And we'll see if that helps me be able to push down hard enough. I'm also going to tap on the socket to try and help break the bond of all the carbon buildup in there. Not beating the shit out of it, just a little bit. And let's see how we fare this time. And try to push down a little harder too. And I'm about 99% sure, because the whole thing is spinning like this from the nozzle, so the nozzle didn't crack free. Set that over there out of the way. Here's one of the things. Oops, just dropped it. Here's the little pin. Let's see if I can. There's the little pin. Not sure if it broke or just fell out. Believe that's broken. Pretty sure it's not supposed to fall out. So let's inspect what we got going on here a little bit. The plunger, obviously you don't want to be taking it out like this, but oh well. Take those bits off, and you can see that they both broke. So that's just, I guess, a quick video on why this isn't a do-it-yourself at home job, which I knew it wasn't. Everybody tells you it's not. Some people think it is. If I can find the video, I'll put a link in the description that shows somebody else successfully doing this. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Don't risk it on your injectors that you need your car to run. These were scrap, just having some fun. Cheers, boys.